Hey guys, and the Galaxy A60 finally went for sale in the Chinese markets, and the interesting part is that it's just exceeded the expectations. So yeah, basically the Galaxy A60 was made available in these four e-commerce platforms that include Samsung's own official website. There was this JD.com, also known as Jingdong, Tmall, and at last Suning.com. And according to Samsung, the Jingdong.com, which is the popular website in China, sold the Galaxy A60 in just 50 seconds. So that was amazing. And the whole stock was out in just 9 minutes, 36 seconds from all the websites. And that stock actually includes the 1499 yuan, which is one of the most popular right now. And there was this 1999 yuan variant, which comes with 6/128 gigs. So according to Samsung, it was amazing, and that was actually one of the most fastest selling smartphone in the Chinese markets. Now there is no information how much units Samsung was having. So guys, there is one more exciting news for you all. This is the box packaging you are getting with the Galaxy A60. So there is this cover, this colorful cover, which looks really nice. And you also get a free case, free diamond case, which has this diamond design. Inside the cover, you are getting this Galaxy A60 box, which looks exactly similar to the box packaging of the Galaxy A50. We have the same wallpaper. Back panel of the box showcases some specifications, that is Infinity O display, Snapdragon 675. Inside the box, you are getting this Galaxy A60, which looks really impressive. Camera punch hole design in just 1499 yuan, fast charger. There is this USB Type-C cable for data syncing, and at last we have this USB Type-C headphones, cause the A60 is not having the headphone jack. I think that's a nice package for such price. One more exciting news for you all, the Galaxy A60 is really coming soon for the Indian markets. Now I have no information when it is coming, but it's coming really soon. And according to the information I have received, the Galaxy A60 will be priced almost at 22,000 Indian rupees for 6/128 gigs, and that's almost equal pricing to the Chinese markets, I guess. Now the Galaxy M40, which is the online exclusive Galaxy A60, will be priced almost at 17 to 18,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, there is no information when it is coming. It's coming really soon. Thanks for watching this video. I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's make it 500 likes right now. Thanks for watching. Peace out.